Hold on. Alexis, guess what?
What?
You are all done with your pre-orientation checklist. I know it took you a while. It took you a while, but listen, you did it. You did it. How does it feel to
Yay!
be done? When we get done, I'm gonna prove your clear card and everything. You're done. How does it feel to be done?
Oh my God, it feels so good. It feels so good. But it also feels good to know I can always go back to the training to get it whatever I need to get it right. So
Yep.
yay!
Got a whole checklist for you. And listen, it don't stop. Listen, that was last year, this year. Listen, we still gonna check you off, make sure you're doing, you know how to do stuff correctly each and every year.
Yes.
So I just wanted to jump on and say, Miss Alexis, you're done. You are done. What was the hardest part about your checklist, and what was the easiest part?
The hardest part was actually making sure I had everything right and doing all the practice. The easiest part was really just going step by step through the videos. That's what made it easy. I could always go step by step. Yeah.
Yep. Well, Miss Alexis, I know that you listen. You're booking. You already know what you're doing. But what are you excited to do next with your travel business? And tell people about your branding.
Um, um,
Amazing
what
brand.
I'm excited to do next is more trips. Um, I've been doing actually quite a few Paris trips, so that's really great. But trying to do something big the next time, trying to do a big group trip to Washington, D.C. as well. So yeah, yeah.
Are you going for the cherry blossom season?
I don't know. I gotta wait until after 2024 election is over, and then 2025 it's safer for Washington, D.C.
Or we gonna say that conversation?
It's just a better idea to go in 2025. It just is.
What? You might be right. You might be right. Well, like I said before, Miss Alexis, I'm proud of you. I really am proud of you. You know
Thank
what you're
you.
doing. Not many agents go all the way through and complete all of their pre-orientation checklists. And, some of them do, sometimes they end up making mistakes, but this is what the E&O insurance is for. But you
Yes.
know what you're doing. Complete all of your pre-orientation. Listen, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank
Congratulations.
you. Yeah.
I love branding. I think you're gonna do awesome things. Well, you've already been doing awesome things. You're always getting paid, but I know that you're gonna do great things in the industry, and I just can't wait to see you grow and completely blow up, Miss Alexa.
Oh yes.
Okay,
Oh yes. Thank you.
so
Thank you.
you're welcome. I just want to say out loud, thank you so much for choosing Travelpreneur Dreams and Mommy and We Travels. And you already know, if you need anything, pick up the phone, call me, text me, or if you
Yes.
need help with putting it together, you have unlocked your unlimited 30-minute session. So I will be sending you that link. The
Yay.
30-minute session. You can do just about any and everything as it comes to your travel business. If you need help with anything, listen, just reach out. Okay,
All right.
send
Thank
some
you.
kind of smoke signal. Listen, I'm not a mind reader. I'm just here to help you however you need help and whatever you
Yes.
need help with. What you okay? But I just want to say thank you so much for choosing us. And listen, if you need anything, I'm here. But after this, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go and I'm gonna prove your clear card and that's it. Listen, you did it. Let me
Yay.
if I can find these balloons. Let me see if you can. I don't even think I have that feature on here. Gosh, before I used to be able to release balloons and you see the balloons falling. But listen, Miss Alexis, you did it. You did your thing.
Yes. And
Any
I'm excited and I'm going to continue to do it.
Yes, you are. Listen, this is tell everybody, how did you get here? It's your second year.
My second
How did
year.
you get? How did you get in the industry?
Uh,
What's your
I
journey?
I got in the industry through a friend through multi-level marketing. And they just wanted to build a team, and I really wanted to sell travel. And then someone else said, I have this other travel business mentor, and I went to them, and they're all about the nuts and the bolts of the business, but still not selling travel. And then I actually looked up on YouTube and I searched Tyra on YouTube, and it was, I finished all of my trainings. Now what? that's the video that got me
Yep.
to you. And I have been here ever since. And I encourage other people to also join because you're actually selling travel. You give us um, access to information step by step by step on video so we can watch it over and over again, as well as
Yep.
having these individual training sessions and going through the checklist and making sure that everyone knows actually how to sell travel and
Yes.
not be a secret agent.
Yes. 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 Listen, I put everything in that checklist on purpose. Some people don't understand it. Some people want to kind of sort of go back and forth about the checklist. I'm like, listen, I'm here to give you the basics of it. What you do after your checklist is completed is 100% up to you. If you don't want to complete, if you don't want to continue with Facebook and stuff after your pre-orientation checklist is done, listen, that's on you. But I know that I showed you how to do, certain parts of marketing, email marketing, social media, whatever it is. If they don't want to do it, then listen, that's their business.
That's
I
their
know
business.
that I did
And
it.
here's my final thought. Finally, after all of that trial and error, I'm getting paid for booking travel. That's beautiful.
That is that it. Listen, it all comes full circle. It definitely
It
all
does.
comes full circle.
It does.
But yeah, I try to tell people like I will tell somebody really quick. We're not for everybody. If you want to learn and you're out there and you truly want to book and you're just not one person that just trying to, how sometimes the MLM say, oh, we just sign up to get cheap travel, or listen, we're not them. You're gonna have your E&O insurance. You're gonna have to do a bunch of different things to get all the way set up. Like I'm trying to set you guys up for success. So, I always tell people
Yes.
if you're not trying to learn or you're not trying to really sell travel, we're not gonna be for you. If you think
Right.
that somebody's gonna do it for you, we're not gonna be for you. So,
Yeah.
if anybody's watching it and they're thinking about it and they don't think they can do it themselves, or you think if somebody's gonna do it for you, we not. Don't even worry about it.
But
But
you taught me
if you
how to do
want
it
to,
myself and to do it well.
yes, my famous saying is, I want to teach y'all how to fish. I don't want to
Yes.
give y'all the fish challenge. I don't want to do it for y'all. And so I'm just really glad that you step back and you learn and you continue to learn. There's so many different things to learn. And every time I think of something, I always just put it in video format because I write it down first and then I'll put it in video format for you guys. And I'll tell somebody
It's
quick,
so
I don't
helpful.
know, but thank you. Listen, I try. I don't know everything, but I know enough to be successful and to help you guys be successful. And I'm continuing to learn.
Absolutely.
Listen, y'all follow me, but I follow the millionaires. I promise you. I prepare with all kinds of trainings and come back and teaching y'all exactly what I know. So,
And that's beautiful. And it's working for me. I mean, I just got to check.
well, you did. So I just want to say out loud once again, Miss Alexis, thank you so much for choosing Travelpreneur Dreams and Mommy and We Travel. You're doing great. After this meeting, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna approve your Clear card. I'm gonna send you the remainder of the link so that you can book your 30-minute sessions whenever you feel like you need them. But remember, if you ever need me, I'm a phone call, text message,
Yeah.
smoke signal. Okay?
Yes, absolutely. So thank
All
you
right,
so
and then don't.
much.
You're so welcome. Don't forget to check on that E&O insurance provider.
Oh, I'm
You
going to
see
do it right now.
whoever. All right, and then don't forget to upload it into the system. Okay.
Once again, I'm going to do it right now.
All right. I'm gonna talk to you soon, Miss Alexis. All right.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.